One. Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike back at IAA here having a ball. I'm glad you are along for the ride. We're taking a look at cars and trucks and SUVs and ATVs and MTVs if they happen to have a couple of those hanging around. I don't know, I'm just making up stuff right now. Anyway, let's go ahead and take a look at what they've got, see if there's something that we might want to park in our driveway or something you might want to park in your driveway. And let's go ahead and kick things off. 2020 Audi Q5. And from what I can see so far, it looks like a very easy repair. I don't know, I haven't seen the other side of the vehicle. This side is gorgeous. Those headlights, yeah, this is very, very nice. The loss type is collision, so that's all right. You can see the bumper hanging off the back there. I don't see any damage on the side other than this little wheel arch that you're missing right here. You have Continental tires, a little bit of tread left on them. So here's your bumper. Just kind of dragging behind everything. Maybe it's salvageable on this side. All the little tabs right here seem to be in place. This is kind of funny. Oh, it's missing a chunk. Oh, this just got bad. This just got very, very bad. This is the most expensive place to hit a car. Yep. If it's a fender, just unbolt it and put a new one on. Look at this. So you have all kinds of things that are going to be needing to get fixed. Okay, I don't even know if the gas cap is in there, but this chunk right here, yeah, this is a Continental tire as well. You've got this door that does open, but see this damage right through here. Cha-ching. This is just dollar signs, just dollar signs. The inside is nice. Got a big old sunroof on it. They put all the personal belongings right in there in the bag. Sometimes they put the oh, this closes. Well, kind of. All right, let's see how this one opens. This one's fine. Yeah, okay. Well, I think this has power too. This is a Continental. Yep, this is a Continental right here too. So we have 4 matching tires. These are good looking cars. You've got the cargo roof. You can put stuff on the top if you have any money left after you fixed your quarter panel back there. This is nice, okay? Q5 Quattro on the instrument cluster. We've got this right here. Push our little start and stop button, which is right here. Oh, 27,000 miles. That's all. Here's your key. That's nice. Uh-oh. Drive system active. Please switch off the ignition. No, it's not. Oil change in 13 days. You better get to that. Audi side assist malfunction. Please contact service. Oh, no. This is your mileage, 44,000. This is your trip, 27,000. So you've got 44,000 right here. Audi Presense, currently limited. Loss of pressure, left rear. Check all tires and store pressures. Yeah, we've got some issues right here, but I'm loving the air conditioning. Let's just leave this on for a bit. Oh, this is nice. Let's go ahead and close this. See if we can figure out how to do this. Here it comes. Yeah. Come on, baby, come on. All the way. There you go. Good job. Now, we'll protect the interior. Okay, well, the windows, all this stuff's going to work because the damage is in the back. So you don't have to worry about all this stuff. Absolutely, yeah. This is a good-looking instrument cluster. All kinds of warning signals right here for us. You get a second key right here in the door, which is nice. How do we do our navigation? Oh, you're missing a little button right here. Currently unavailable. Here we go. Nope, still unavailable. Okay, so let's see if we can figure this out real quick. Menu, navigation, media, radio.
Journalist now in the US, formerly in Iran.
This is your sound button right here. So we've got talk radio. And we got the Eagle, Mix 96. Okay, so judging from this was an older person's car, probably very well educated. If you're listening to the NPR and you have talk radio on a lot of your channels and maybe even, you know, oldies. You've probably been to college for many, many years, which is cool. This is nice. We are in park. Okay, let's take a look under the hood and to see what's happening here. We'll give this a tug. This says drive system active. I don't think I like that. So let's just go ahead and turn it off. I don't want to be in front of the car and it decides to go forward. But it sounded like it was okay. And that's, I mean, this isn't the damaged part up here. Here it is. Ooh, there you go. Okay. Well, I'd say it's an honest 44,000 miles. The engine is dusty. There is orange coolant here. That seems to be kind of exposed, your computer. ABS system here. Your belt looks okay. This is nice. If I was a really good body person and I could fix this damage right here, I might be interested, but I'm not. This is not me at all. No way. So that, I mean, to pull this, and you'll definitely need a new door. That's going to take some skill to get all of this done. Yeah, that is way over my head. So let's just keep looking. Well, this is the kind of car you want to find out here, and I'll tell you why in just a moment. This is a 2019 Chevy Camaro in black, and I like it. The little shark fin antenna right there, I like that. I like what they did with the taillights right here. These are good looking cars. I mean, and they kind of changed this and sharpened this part. Yes. Damage on the outside. A little bit of scraping right here. This will buff off. That will buff out, I guess is the better word for it. But look at this. Look at the headlights. Oh, are you a Camaro person or a Mustang person or a Challenger person? There is no damage. I've seen 3 or 4 spiders. Other than that, I think she's fine. Well, there's a little damage right here. This isn't why she's here, though. This will buff out. Okay, let me show you what's going on. I just had to open the door on the other side and took a whiff. Okay, it smells a little electrical. So let me just kind of get in here. And someone has been in here already. And to me, the smell, it's like it's coming from here. Okay, so something in here isn't working and the person just didn't want to deal with it anymore. Yeah, somewhere in here, there's something that got a little too hot. Okay, and these just pop right on. Okay, I don't know why someone just didn't fix this already. There you go, just pop this in. Is there even a key? Well, I do have keys. There are keys right here. There's no power. I think if this is the only damage, you probably be okay. Because this, I mean, this is the base. Okay, we have just cloth seats. Nothing fancy about it. But there is a burned electrical smell coming from somewhere. And if you're good with electronics and soldering and all that kind of stuff, you could save a mint on this thing. There's no sunroof. You don't have to worry about that breaking down. It's a good looking car. I mean, it is just as masculine as can be. So with that being said, let's take a look under the hood. You got this part exposed, so somebody was perhaps already trying to look under the hood. Maybe there's a huge fire under the hood and I'm completely wrong, but let's just see. And survey says, here we go. Do you see anything wrong? I don't. I think something in the cabin down around the shifter just went a little wackadoodle. And that's why. Okay? I can't do my thing because there's so many people out here, if you know what I'm saying. I wished I could, but I cannot. This looks completely stock, no problem at all. Yeah. I don't see anything. I really don't. Oh, we got, uh-oh, what is this? This is a cap of something. That looks like a cap for washer fluid. which is actually just right there. So I think it might be risky. I could be completely wrong, but I think you trace the electrical problem, replace the little module that caught fire, and you would have a nice looking Camaro. We're gonna have to mark this down. Well, I didn't have to go far to find my next car. Look at that. Who'd you rather? Yeah, 2015 Challenger versus the Camaro right there. These are much bigger cars. Look at these wheels. These are incredible. Those are giant. Okay, we have some horrible body work right here. I mean, it's scratched and it's just terrible. It's yeah, somebody like me did it. No, somebody worse than me. We have paint that has dripped. Okay, so this car could be hiding a lot. But it's black versus black, two-door sports car versus two-door sports car. Whoa. Okay, the tires, there is some tread on them. We've got a lot of scratches going on over here, and this airbag, I think, has gone off. But we have power, which is a good thing, and I think I can actually get in. I don't want to scratch anything. So, see, here's your airbag right here. Let me see if I can move the seat. I don't want to use the last of the power. This is a good looking interior though. Heck yeah. Okay, before we do this, here's your back seat. I like the two-tone. I do. I had a Mercedes C43 that had the two-tone, and it was a beautiful interior, and I regret to this day ever selling that car. That was the C43, so it was a little C-Class they shoved a humongous V8 into, and I was living in Florida. I think I got it for like $9,000, and I just loved that and drove the heck out of it. Let's see what she's going to do for us here. Well, okay. That wasn't the nicest startup. We have a lot of things broken right here. That side airbag, this side airbag. Look at the stitching. Your side airbag and your seats have gone off. This has 24,000 miles. For 2015? With only 24,000 miles? Heck yeah. Okay. She goes into drive. She goes into reverse. There you go. Oh, she sounds good. She really does. Let's just kind of see what they listen to. Oh. No way. The person that drove this listened to classical music? Wow. I did not expect that at all. Oh, this sounds great. It's just the crappy bodywork. Let's take a look under the hood. The windows, yeah, they work. Everything seems to be fine. This is a good looking dash. It really, really is. Let me get out. I can't move the door very far. Look, they got that car sitting on a pole. Here it is. A lot of scratches. Most of these will buff out though. You're missing your scoops. This is broken. Maybe there's some damage to the condenser. Uh-oh. Here we go. Oh. Yeah, this is your nice little V6. They make them look so tough. So there is some antifreeze right down there. Pretty smooth engine. Okay. It's just, see, we're missing the hood pad, the vent thing there. Maybe it's in the trunk. Engine sounds okay though. It's just this. I don't know how much is going to show up on the camera. There's actually holes in here, and they just kind of spray painted it. And there is a big dent right here too. She just sideswiped something. Yeah, and they just painted it to hide it. So she's a 20-footer. maybe a 40-footer. Let's see what's in the hood, in the trunk. Well, they've been using the jack. Okay. We got some, oh, that's your thermostat. Hopefully there's another one protecting the engine right now as we poke around. Here we go. Nice looking battery. You got your spare that has been used and not put up properly, and another can of oil. So, yeah. Low mileage, but what a tough life she's had. Yeah, this is, So the question is, are you a Camaro or a Challenger kind of person? I feel tall in this thing. Yeah, this seat is jacked way up. So maybe the driver was a professor who listened to classical music and liked to drive tough-looking cars. I don't know. Or the professor's son who took it out one night and like sideswiped something, and then he tried to hide it from mom with a can of rattle spray paint in basic black. Not even the right color black for this car. I love the interior. I really do. This is nice, but it's so sketchy. So be sure to let me know what you think about these 3 cars. Which would you rather? All of them were black, weren't they? Yeah, they were. Well, that's kind of cool. A couple of them were sports cars, but I'm just glad I got to come out here and check them out, and I'm glad that you could come along with me as well. Folks, thank you very much for watching these walk-around videos. I love doing them. They're just something for me to do to kind of supplement the income while I'm working on cars and getting my hands dirty, because a lot of times I'm just waiting on parts, or I'm waiting for the weather, or who knows what I could be waiting for, or a better mood to get me out there to crawl under a car, because you know, you don't want to do that when you're in a bad mood. At least I try not to. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and we will be back with another video very, very soon. Okay, I appreciate all the views, so thank you very much. Bye-bye.